In this video, I've got 10 handbags under $300 that are perfect for the summer, and they're all genuine leather. I know you're probably thinking, girl, let me see what these handbags look like. So let's jump right into it. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley Parke. This is Parke Avenue, and I have all the fashion content. So if that's what you love, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit those notification bells so you don't miss any of my uploads. All right, so jumping right into these handbags, because honestly, a few of them you have already seen on my channel. I've been loving them and very much obsessed. So first, let's talk about this Cos clutch. This one I picked up in red, and I also have the black one I've shared recently on my channel, and the black one is still in stock. The red one is no longer available, but this is 100% leather. It is supple, it's soft, it feels really great. The quality is very nice, and again, all these bags are under $300 that I'm showing you, so the price point I think is excellent for what you're getting, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this bag was priced higher if it had a different name on it. If you didn't know that this was from an affordable brand, and I know affordability is relative, but under $300 for a genuine leather handbag that looks good and it is very much current as far as the style goes, then I wouldn't be surprised if it was priced at a higher price point. But this is excellent. I think this bag is gorgeous. You can carry it 3 ways. So in a lot of ways, I feel like this bag is just way better than Bottega, even though it does give a Bottega vibe. But a pouch like this is very common. You can find it in a lot of brands, but what I love about this one is you get the quality and you can wear it 3 different ways. It has a drawstring that you can also wear as a holder for the bag. It also has another strap where you can throw it over your shoulder or just hold it kind of like a sack. I really like that deconstructed kind of look, and of course you can carry it like a classic clutch. It's a really great bag, so I highly recommend this one. Next up, let's talk about this woven tote from J. Crew. I styled this in a video recently and I got a lot of questions about the bag. This bag is so cute. Now, it's mostly woven, so it is a natural material, and I really love when I can get my handbags in leather or just natural materials in general because I feel like that's what's gonna help the bag last. And so this one does have a little bit of leather on the straps, and what's great about this is that you can get the strap in different colors. You can get gold, you can get black, and I just love a tote like this for the summer. It's like quintessential summertime, and it looks great styled, super casual, but you can also wear it with a little bit more elevated dress, you know, something like a maxi dress, and maybe like go out from like day to night if you're going out to dinner, if you're on an island, if you're traveling on vacation, just everyday wear. This is a really great bag, and it's a classic summertime bag, and this bag you would have for years to come. Now this next bag, I'm just very much obsessed with it. I'm just as obsessed with it now as when I first got it. I originally shared this bag with you guys when I first got it. I saw it on Simply Cora's channel, and then when I saw it, I was like, okay, hold on, let me just see. Let me just order it. It looks really cute. Let me just order it. I ordered it and I fell in love. So I know a lot of you have picked this bag up since I first shared it, and I'm so happy that you love it and enjoy it. It is such a good bag. If you're looking for something that's gonna elevate your bag collection that's not going to break the bank, this is definitely it. It looks so expensive, and for it to be handcrafted, genuine python, I just can't believe it. It's just such a good bag. So I'm definitely gonna get another one, especially for fall, winter. So even if you get this bag for the summer, it's definitely going to take you year round, and that's what I love about it. And that's what I love about natural materials, because chances are you can get more than one season out of them. So definitely a bag to grab. Now this next bag recommendation, I have actually not seen in person. I'm waiting for it. It's actually en route to me now. When I saw it, I thought it put me in the mind of a Coach bag, classic Coach from years ago. And I really liked that it was a shoulder bag, and for it to be even under $100, I was like, okay, let me see about this bag. And it is 100% leather, which I think is great. And it's from Quint. And I've tried other bags from Quint. I have a woven tote bag from Quint that also is leather, and so I know that the leather is going to be good quality, so I'm very curious about this one. And a shoulder bag, like a cute little shoulder bag with a tank top and some jeans and flip-flops, is such a good summer look. Very cute, easy, chic, casual, and then you can just accessorize with lots of gold jewelry or whatever fits your style. I think this has the potential to be an excellent bag, so I am excited to see it in person. But if you want to grab it, I had to include it in this video because it just looks like it would be a really great option to go for this summer. Next up, another shoulder bag, this time from Mango. Now this bag I saw comes in at least 2 colors. This gorgeous gold, and then it also comes in black, This is another really great shoulder bag that looks like it sits comfortably under your arm. It looks like one that you can definitely fit everything you need in it. And of course, we love a tiny bag. I mean, there's always going to be a place for a tiny bag, but on an everyday basis, sometimes it's actually nice to be able to bring all your essentials with you, maybe even a little bit more than what's essential. And I think this could really have you covered for as far as everything you can fit inside of it. And the fact that it comes in multiple colors, I think that's great because I like this metallic gold one a lot. I think it's going to be great for a lot of people. And if you're someone who likes to dress simply, you might want to just add a pop of something fun with your handbag. I like to play around with my accessories, but even if you don't dress super simple, and maybe your style all around is a lot more elaborate, this handbag could definitely fit that as well. So definitely want to check out. Next up, the carry bag from Coach. Now, Coach is definitely having a moment. They're having a resurgence. It seems like they are really coming with a lot of, really great styles, but also bringing with them the essence of old Coach, which is something I think is appealing to a lot of people. And this bag is very cute, extremely practical. You can fit a lot in it. And I actually saw this bag in person in the store, and I think this bag is a great option if you're looking for something that is just below the $300 mark, but it's a quality bag. We all know Coach leathers will definitely last you a lifetime. So this is one that I think is a great option, and I love the color that it comes in. If you love a neutral handbag, but maybe you want something a little bit different than their average, like caramel or beige or black, then you might want to go for this color. It's like maybe like a grayish, mauvey kind of stone color. I really like this, and I think it's a fabulous alternative to a lot of other neutrals that you can easily find in handbags. This is a great one. We all love a cute little piece from Zara, and this tote is from Zara. This style is so cute and very unique. You don't often see a lot of these like trapezoid sort of shapes when it comes to tote bags. I really like this. I actually have another bag that I'll mention later in this video, kind of like a bonus, but I think one to check out, but stay tuned for that. But this bag is so cute. I love that it has that longer strap. I love the shape. It is a smaller size tote, but the shape of it allows you to fit a lot in the bag, and it just looks like it is the perfect size to carry it every day, but not overload you, because totes can get heavy and weigh you down, because the bigger the bag, the more we tend to carry. But this seems to be a good size, and I just really love the shape. I think it's very interesting without doing too much, and it's under 200 bucks, so it's definitely not going to break the bank, and you'll be able to wear it, and it's going to last because it is a leather item. And I just love that Zara did this bag in this brown leather with a little bit of a silver hardware, because that's a combination I don't think we find often. It's nice to have that option, especially if you are a silver lover, but if you like to mix your metals, it wouldn't even matter anyway. But I just like this combination. The leather looks like it is going to wear really well. Like even when it gets scratched and beat up, it's still gonna look very cute. And one thing that actually surprised me about this bag in a great way is that they created it to have a cover. The leather looks like it folds over the top, and it looks like it might be magnetized, and so it holds shut, which is really great because it's genuine leather. It's from a place like Zara, which is super accessible to a lot of people, and it has a closure, which you don't get a lot of times with the tote. So I think Zara, they were really thoughtful with this one. Next up, another bag from Zara. This one is more of a mini bag. It looks like a phone bag. So after you put your phone in it, it looks like it wouldn't fit much more than maybe a lip gloss and some cards, but that's okay sometimes. I do love a cute little bag with a top handle. It's just something special about it. And I just feel like it's just so functional, even though it doesn't fit a lot. It comes in 2 colors, and I think this could be a really great addition if you're looking for a cute little mini bag. And you can wear this out in the evening. I know in the summertime, we tend to be a lot more easy breezy. This is a bag you can put inside your tote bag and maybe use it as a pouch, and if you're heading somewhere else in the evening, you can just take it out and use that as your bag. This next bag is so cute. I like it especially in the ivory color, but it comes in 2 sizes, a mini size and a larger size, and it has a few color options. This is really great because it's that pebble leather, so you know it's going to be hard wearing. It's going to last you a long time. It's from Banana Republic, and I know that Banana Republic usually has great quality options. And I think this is a great option if you like a top handle, but you also want to be able to wear it crossbody. You might want to get the bigger one because it carries a lot, or maybe the smaller one is just better for you. But even in the mini size, it looks like it can carry a decent amount of things. So I feel like this could be a great option if you're looking for a larger work tote, or if you're looking for something mini that you can just carry on an everyday basis. Now, I know I said I had 10, but I got one more. So this bag is kind of a bonus because it does come in a little over that $300 price mark. But I do have a coupon code for you. So if it's still active, I'll leave it in the description box, and it's gonna bring it back down and fit into that price range that we were talking about today. This bag is so cute, from Saks Off 5th. This is an Italian made bag, and the price point I think is really great, even at the full price they have it listed for. It's suede, it has the leather trim, it has a top handle. I love that shape, that, you know, inverted triangle, trapezoid kind of a shape. I really like that, and it is similar in shape to that Zara bag that we spoke about earlier. This one is purely a top handle, but it fits a ton of stuff. This is just a really great everyday bag if you need to carry a lot of things. It looks so cute with summer dresses, so cute with like cutoff shorts and a tank top. I mean, this is just a really great bag. And this is also going to look really great in the fall as well. I feel like all the bags that I share with you today, even though they're perfect for the summer, you can definitely keep them in mind for the fall and maybe even winter, depending on where you live. And that's really great for anything that I buy. I really like to keep in mind how I'm gonna wear it in the future beyond whatever season that I'm in when I purchase it, because a lot of times I can get, you know, multiple seasons out of a lot of things. So that's my handbag list, under $300, all genuine materials, leather, quality materials, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to be picking up any of these bags that I've shared, or if you have already picked them up, because some of these I've already been wearing and showing you. I love these a lot, and I think they make excellent choices. So let me know which one you're going to grab. I will have everything linked in the description box. If you want to catch me on any of my other socials like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, I'll have all that information in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Because I really would love to have you. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.